How long does it take to complete the R&D tax credit process? For most people, you can complete your application in less than a day, as long as your records are organized and you have your thoughts in order. The first thing this depends upon is how well you understand the details of your R&D project and how quickly you can get your head around the way HMRC thinks about research and development. So a typical conversation with our patient insightful AI robot, within perhaps 30 minutes of concentrated effort, you can get through that phase. For reasons that I won't go into now, it's advantageous to describe 3 different R&D projects. So assuming it becomes easier as you go along, typically you might spend an hour speaking to our AI to fully explain 3 R&D projects. The second thing it depends upon is how difficult it is to get information out of your accounting system, and in particular the right information, the information you're looking for, and how difficult it is to collect together the various reference numbers you need for the filings. There's not too much more variability from this point. Once all the information is put together, you need to complete the online additional information form. You'll have all the questions and answers. You could probably go through this in 15 minutes, let's say half an hour. Then also there's the CT600L form. It's been completed. Obviously you need to make sure it's accurate. There's not a lot of numbers there. Perhaps 5 minutes to make it accurate, perhaps another 5 minutes to work those numbers into your corporate tax form and make suitable adjustments. So as I said at the top, you could probably get your R&D tax credit claim done in less than a day, but it's going to be a bit of concentrated effort. You're going to have your head around the project. You're going to have to get your head around the way HMRC thinks. You're going to have to pull some information out of your accounting systems. You may need to collect together various corporate information. You'll need to go online to fill in the 40 questions on the additional information form, and you'll have to glance through the CT600L form. So if it's one person, you can do it all fairly quickly. If you've got multiple people in the loop, it may take a little bit longer.